Hey everyone! If you're looking for hosting, you have definitely come to the right video. To get started, all you need to do is click the link in my description or scan the QR code on your screen, and it will take you right to this page. Now keep in mind that the pricing and plans might look a little bit different depending on your country. For this demo, I am going to show you how it works with the business plan, so I'll go ahead and click Choose Plan. The best part is, if you click my link, you don't have to do anything else. The coupon code discount will automatically apply at your checkout. You do not have to fill it in manually at all. As you can see right here, with this plan you get a daily backup and a free domain name. And this coupon code doesn't only work for the 48-month plan. It also works perfectly for the 24-month plan, or even the 12-month plan. In some cases, if the pricing is showing up in a different currency, all you have to do is click the flag icon in the top right corner. You just click it and change it to your country. For example, I will change it to India and click on English, and you can see the pricing immediately changes over to rupees. So go ahead and check out the link in my description right now.